Welcome to Winner's Lineup. The best coffee filters is probably one of the most essential yet often overlooked components in achieving that perfect cup of coffee, acting as the silent guardian between flavorful grounds and a clean, satisfying brew. Without the right filter, your morning ritual could be marred by sediment, off flavors, or even a messy cleanup, transforming a moment of relaxation into a frustrating ordeal. This is why selecting the ideal coffee filter is paramount for any coffee enthusiast seeking to elevate their home brewing experience and consistently enjoy the rich, nuanced taste of their favorite beans. Number 5. Melitta No. 4 Cone Coffee Filters, Natural Brown. Experience the full, rich flavor of your coffee. Our signature microfine perforations enhance your brewing for a superior taste. Enjoy a reliable and mess-free brewing experience. The exclusive double-crimped edges are engineered to prevent bursting and spills. Feel good about your choice with these filters. They are sustainably sourced, compostable, and packaged in recycled materials. Enjoy a smooth, clean cup every time. The premium, chlorine-free paper traps impurities, ensuring a pure coffee taste. These filters are designed to fit all 8 to 12 cup cone coffee makers. Trust the world's #1 cone coffee filter brand for quality and innovation. Get a total of 600 filters with this convenient 6-pack. You'll have plenty for all your coffee needs. What we like? Unlock the full, rich flavor of your coffee with its signature microfine perforations. Enjoy mess-free brewing thanks to the burst-resistant double-crimp design. If you are looking for a superior, eco-conscious brewing experience, you should consider this. What people say. Melitta unbleached filters are very reliable all around and consistent. Filters coffee wonderful, doesn't tear and is durable, serves its purpose. These are sturdy coffee filters that fit perfectly. Number 4. Tupkee 12-cup large coffee filters. Experience a richer, more flavorful cup of coffee. Our filters are crafted from heavyweight, special-grade paper, ensuring proper water flow for the perfect extraction. These are ideal for your commercial coffee brewers, fitting seamlessly into basket-style machines commonly found in cafes and restaurants. Enjoy a perfect brew at home too. They fit most large 10 to 12 cup home coffee machines, ensuring a great fit every time. Say goodbye to messy overflows and grounds in your coffee. Our uniquely designed filters feature taller, durable walls to keep everything contained during brewing. Enjoy your coffee without harsh chemicals. These filters are bleached using an elemental chlorine-free method, ensuring no detectable levels of dioxin or bleach. Brewing and cleanup are a breeze. Made from strong material with ribbed edges, they won't disintegrate when wet, making removal simple and mess-free. What we like? Designed with tall walls to prevent overflow and grounds in your coffee, this filter ensures a cleaner brew. It's compatible with both commercial and large home coffee machines. If you frequently brew large batches or use commercial coffee makers, you should consider this. What people say. I like the fit in our Mr. Coffee Maker better than the bun filters, and these are of good quality. Finally, the right size for our commercial 12-cup Braun coffee maker. Love these coffee filters for my Breville coffee maker. When I make a big pot of coffee and use these filters, there are no overflows or collapsing sides. Number 3. KNJ 12-pack Cuisinart coffee filter replacement. Enjoy perfectly brewed coffee every time. These filters are designed to fit all Cuisinart coffee makers, as well as Braun BrewSense models, ensuring a seamless experience. Our filters feature a high-quality micromesh material. This prevents charcoal from escaping and keeps your coffee maker running smoothly. Experience the true taste of your coffee. By removing impurities, chlorine, and odors, these filters significantly improve the flavor of your favorite beverages. We use ultra-fine grain charcoal for maximum effectiveness. This finer granulation increases water contact, ensuring superior filtration for a cleaner, better-tasting cup. We care about the environment. Your replacement filters come in minimal, eco-friendly packaging, reducing waste without compromising quality. This pack includes 12 charcoal water filters. You'll have plenty on hand to keep your coffee maker performing at its best for months to come. What we like? This filter is designed to remove impurities, calcium, chlorine, and odors with activated charcoal. Its micromesh material ensures the charcoal stays in place. If you are looking to significantly improve the taste of your coffee by purifying the water, you should consider this. What people say. Identical to the originals. The product is good and works efficiently. They replaced a very old filter and it seems to make our coffee taste better. Number 2. Melitta 8 to 12 cup coffee filters, 200 count. Enjoy a consistently delicious cup of coffee with our premium filters. They are designed to ensure optimal flavor extraction for your favorite brew. With 200 filters in each pack, you'll have plenty to last. This generous quantity means fewer trips to the store and more coffee moments. These filters are specifically crafted for 8 to 12 cup coffee makers. They fit perfectly, preventing grounds from entering your coffee. Our white filters are made from high-quality paper. They help remove oils and sediment, ensuring a clean and pure taste in every cup. Using them is incredibly easy. Just place one in your basket, add coffee grounds, and brew for a hassle-free coffee experience. What we like. These basket filters are designed for optimum extraction of coffee's taste. They are white and chlorine-free for a clean brew. If you have a standard 8 to 12 cup basket coffee maker and prefer a classic white filter, you should consider this. What people say. They fit in a standard coffee pot and they aren't all bent up, so they work great. Coffee filter work great, do not rip when filtering coffee, durable and thick. The size, fit and ease of use is perfect for my 12 cup Black & Decker coffee maker. Number 1. Coffee filters 8-12 cup size, 300 pack. Experience the full flavor of your coffee. Our special paper grade ensures the best taste extraction every time. Achieve precision in every cup. These are ideal for coffees that need exact brewing, such as decaf or flavored varieties. Enjoy a mess-free brewing experience. The superior design keeps the grounds where they belong, preventing overflow. Brew with confidence. Our filters are made without chlorine, ensuring a pure and clean coffee. Get more for your money with this convenient pack. Each box contains 300 filters, perfect for regular use. What we like. Achieve optimum extraction of your coffee's taste with this special paper grade. Its superior, stay-in-place design prevents coffee grounds overflow. If you need a reliable filter for exact brewing, especially for decaf and flavored coffees, you should consider this. What people say. Sturdy and very easy to use. Coffee filters, 8-12 cup size as described. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.